Oh yeah, what's going on YouTube? So I just wanted to make this video real quick because Governor Gavin Newsom in California has just signed the bill to signed Assembly Bill 5, AB5 into law. So now California will be the first state to sign the law for gig economy workers, saying that they should be treated as employees. And this will now change the future of gig economy, Uber drivers, Lyft drivers, DoorDash drivers, everybody who is considered an independent contractor. This will now change everything for them in the state of California, and soon probably to be all other states will follow soon behind this, I'm sure. But I wanted to read the article. I just saw it just came out. I just want to read the article to you guys, and so you can see what's going on here. So this is on Yahoo Finance is where I saw it, and it looks like it's by Mark Anderson in the American City Business Journals. So this just happened. It just happened today, September 18th, 2019, and it happened about 15 minutes ago. So I just want to read the article to you right here, guys, okay? So Governor Gavin Newsom has signed Assembly Bill 5, which radically changes the state's employment laws and in many cases will make employees out of independent contractors. Let me keep going. Okay. So Newsom signed the sweeping new law that could force gig companies like Uber Technologies, and Lyft Inc. to reclassify the workers as employees. The hotly contested legislation, Assembly Bill 5, dictates that workers can generally only be considered contractors if they are doing work that is outside the usual course of a company's business. The law codifies a 2018 state Supreme Court ruling and amplifies it to a wide range of state laws. It could upend the business models of companies that depend on armies of independent contractors who aren't guaranteed employment protections like minimum wage and overtime. The bill is slated to go into effect on January 1, while the legislature has adjourned until next year. So keep that in mind. The bill, it doesn't go into law until January 1 of next year, so 2020. So you still have some time, and the state still has some time to figure things out. But it will be nice to have some benefits like this going on for us drivers, saying that, like, meaning that Uber and Lyft can't just terminate us for just any reason whatsoever. They'll actually have to have legitimate reasons why they're terminating us. So that's a really good protection that's going to be coming into play for us. So in a statement, Newsom called the bill landmark legislation and said that a next step is creating pathways for more workers from a union to form a union, collectively bargain to earn more, and have a stronger voice at work, all while preserving flexibility and innovation. He goes on to say, Lorena Gonzalez, the state assemblywoman who authored the bill, said in a statement that California is now setting the global standard for worker protections for other states and countries to follow. Tech companies, including the ride-hailing giants, have tried unsuccessfully over the past year to secure concessions that would shield them from having to reclassify the workers, including holding talks with union leaders about potential compromises that would extend new perks to workers while preventing them from becoming employees. Newsom, a Democrat seen as a friendly to both tech and labor, has publicly and privately urged a deal, but so far hasn't been able to get one. The Uber spokesman expressed the company's disappointment on Wednesday. We've engaged in good faith with the legislature, the Newsom administration, and labor leaders for nearly a year on this issue. He said in a statement, and we believe California is missing a real opportunity to lead the nation by improving the quality, security, and dignity of independent work. Newsom said that he would convene labor, business, and legislative leaders to discuss how California should support innovation and a more inclusive economy. By stepping in where the federal government had fallen short to grant workers the right to organize and collectively bargain, private sector unionization is generally governed by federal law rather than the states, but some labor advocates believe that the exclusion of many gig workers from federal protection creates an opportunity for states like California to establish their own unionization system. Others are hopeful that AB5 itself, by forcing changes to companies' business models, could make it easier for workers to qualify as employees under federal labor law as well. So this is not just going to be a state thing, it's actually going to turn into something federal. If no compromise is reached, Uber, Lyft, and DoorDash Inc. have each committed $30 million to put a referendum on the 2020 ballot. In the meantime, Uber has signaled it will keep aggressively defending its position. that its drivers are not employees, even under the law. So Uber is going to say that even though the law has been signed and passed by the governor, the Senate, and the governor, that they're saying that we're not following that law. We're not going to treat our drivers as employees in the state of California. We're going to keep doing what we've been doing, and they're just disregarding everything here. Just because Uber has signaled that it will keep aggressively defending its position that its drivers are not employees, even under the new law. Just because the test is hard does not mean we will not be able to pass it. Uber Chief Legal Officer Tony West told reporters last week. So Uber's going to fight this pretty hard. Okay, so this is not over yet, but it is a big step today. A spokesman for Lyft said that it was hopeful the company could work with the governor's office to reach a historic agreement, but added, if necessary, we are prepared to take this issue to the voters to preserve the freedom and access drivers and passengers want. The freedom, I would say, is just being able to choose what times you can drive, like turning on and off the app. I mean, that's what's really big to me, and I really don't want to have to commit myself to a set schedule of when I need to drive. I love having the convenience and the freedom to choose when I want to drive. I mean, what about you guys? Tell me in the comments below. What do you look for? Are you looking forward to AB5? Are you not looking forward to it? What kind of changes do you want to see? Has anything I said made sense? If you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. By the way, thanks for watching, guys. We're going to keep going here. So Lyft has said that they want to fight as well and take this to the voters. Okay, updates with comments started the fourth paragraph. Okay. To contact the author of the story. All right. And I think that's it there, guys. So if you have any questions, definitely reach out to me. Let me know in the comments below. And I just want to say thanks for watching. And we're a part of history. See you on the next video.